Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty. I love these. I love these. Wait, how do I glide?
Oh, left trigger?
Doesn't work.
Eh?
Oh, I can't glide. Ah.
Oh, you can't glide. Okay.
Okay, my power kind of sucks.
Wait, what about here? Did you come from here? You did, right?
Don't remember.
Do you think maybe you climb up here? I don't know. I don't know why you would, but like maybe on this platform. There's a little vine thingy. I don't know if it's
No.
part of the decor.
Okay. Now, yeah, use your power to glide and be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's so cool.
Yours is also really cool, though.
Oh, come on, Kronii. Stop lying to me.
What?
You don't have to lie to me.
I would never lie.
That's a lie.
What would I gain out of lying?
Yeah, climbing is my favorite sport. I love climbing. You know?
You can do it.
Before, I never climbed anything. Like, you know, my character was not able to climb at all, so I need a dragon, right? Me walking on literally every wall, and now I need a dragon to freaking climb. Yeah, sure, it sounds like a great idea, game. Yeah, that's how it is. I could just like use flamethrower or clothes, or you know, I could just be very, very strong. But no, you decide to give me the climb power.
Wait, what the heck?
I don't know what is going on either. Like, I don't know. This game hates me. Hello?
It's okay. Take a deep breath. Take your time.
No, I'm so mad at this game now. It's what is going on even? Like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay.
Yeah, wait. There we go. Okay.
Oh yeah, I take my time. 20 years later.
No,
you could have done with
Shh. You're okay.
Oh, very cool to climb something. What is going on? What do I supposed to do here?
I think you're supposed to kind of like push that. I don't know, like I guess spin that wheel so that I can.
No, I tell you, I need to climb. Look, I need to stay here. Oh yeah, gravity. You have to stand here, and I make you jump.
Okay.
Apparently, my dragon is also very heavy.
I can completely relate to that. Okay,
Can you actually relate to that?
You know, I'm trying to empathize.
Yeah, use your cool dragon. Go. Oh, look at that.
No, your dragon's so cool too.
Yeah, you can solo the game. Right?
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, that I can't.
Go ahead.
No, see it.
It's over.
Now you can do this too.
Oh, sure, as I didn't do that for the past 10 hours in this game.
No.
It's so unique.
No.
Can you bring me over there? Is there a way to...
Yes.
You know, I'm a little silly. I can't do things on my own anymore.
No, you're doing things on your own. No, you did things on your own. That was so amazing. Oh, that's nice.
Can I have that dragon instead? No.
You know, I feel like that's a villain path. Wait, there's a side story over there.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, let's go. Let's abandon the dragon as soon as possible.
What? What was the point of being here? Maybe.
Oh, let me check if I can climb, since it's the only thing I can. Oh, I cannot climb. This?
No. Raora, no.
I see. Well,
No.
this dragon is gonna die with me. I know what to do, okay? Trust me.
Oh,
There you go.
you're so gaming. See, you're so smart.
Thanks. I wish my dragon was that smart too.
You know, I feel like when it first hatched, you were saying, "Oh, it's so cute."
So pretty.
What happened to that? What happened to all
Stupid
that?
dragon.
Whoa! You did not say that before.
Ready?
I mean, just because it can't fly, at least it's cute.
Don't worry about it.
Guess maybe we put down the dragon now.
Aww.
Aww.
I can take a bath.
Oh, maybe they evolve.
Oh.
Oh, they grow up so quickly.
Oh my gosh. Maybe mine is more helpful now.
Oh, yeah, he has wings now.
Cute.
Are you only saying cute because he has wings now?
He had wings before too. It's just useless.
Zoe? Whoa.
Oh, it vomits.
Spit acid?
Oh, ew, what can mine do? What is my dragon's power?
Wait, you can fly, right?
What's my hello? What's my dragon's power? What? Hello? What's my dragon's power? Is it backed out? What's my dragon's power? What? Can they fly? Can they fly?
But it's so no. I think he's going to carry
What
us.
can you do?
Wait, what about right trigger? What does right trigger do? What does left trigger do?
Nothing?
That's
I
really
see.
that's really good.
You can't even climb anymore now?
No, I think it
You can
can.
just roll around?
No.
You stupid little...
No.
You stupid little...
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.